Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sarai and I try to upload videos every Wednesday. Today I just wanted to share with you guys a nail kit that I ordered from Amazon. So I like having my nails done, but honestly I haven't done my nails ever since I've been working from home. I've been working from home for the longest time, which I'm very grateful. But I feel like that also, it makes me get a little bit lazy when it comes to doing my nails, and I wanted something that lasts a little bit longer than your typical nail polish. So I got this from Amazon. I will go ahead and make sure to post a link down below. Had good reviews for the most part, but I basically just kind of wanted the lamp. There's a store around me that sells like professional nail polishes for salons, and I don't think you need a seller's permit or like a salon's permit, so I think I'm gonna go there to get nail polishes. But I kind of just wanted to get like a starter kit. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and share with you guys what we have today. Okay, so I went ahead and took everything out of the box. I have the lamp right. This is what it looks like. I've seen some that have something at the bottom right here, but this one's just like a little arch, and you can see the little light bulbs here. Oh, it does come with this little nice envelope. It's the manual, so I guess it kind of just tells you the instructions on how to use it. And it has pictures, so I'm a visual learner, so I think this is gonna be helpful for me. I have the colors right here. I got pinks. The ones I wanted I think were like blue, kind of more like a wintry colors, but they weren't in stock, so I ended up going with pinks and nudes. It has a matte top if you want to go for a matte top, and then it has like the top coat and the base coat, I believe, that you put on before you put the nails. Haven't done these obviously, so it's gonna be a learning process for me. It comes with 4 nail polishes. They're 8 ounces each. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the colors so you guys kind of have a better idea on like the colors I picked out. So like I said, they're all kind of like in the on the pink side. So this is the first one. It is like a bright pink. The second color right here is more of a darker pink. Oh, this is like a baby pink. I always call this one baby pink, but I mean, it's like a, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a baby pink. And then this one is more like a nude color, like a peach color. I like this one. I think this one's pretty nice. It is also a peach, but I feel like this one has a little bit more of a pink undertone, a little bit warmer than the other one, but these are pretty nice colors. Let me show you guys the next items that I have right here that it came with. So it comes with some small nail clippers, 2 nail filers, and then these little things, I don't know what these are called, you know, the things that separate your toes. And then it comes with this little brush, so after you're done filing your nails, you can go ahead and dust them off. It does feel pretty cheap, but then again, like, I wasn't expecting anything crazy. It comes with these, like, you know, like tools right here to push your cuticles back, and then like a little brush right here, which I think it's good, especially if this is kind of like your first kit. Like for myself, I don't have any of this because I don't really do my nails like that. I mean, I just use regular nail polish, so I think it's kind of like a good starter kit. They also included this cuticle nail oil, which is nice, you know. I mean, I don't know how well it's gonna work, but just make sure you put lotion on your nails all the time so your cuticles aren't as bad. So they also included these little wipes, and then they also have this, which I don't know what these are, so I'm gonna go ahead and open them. But I feel like it might have to do with something like designing your nails, which I'm not going to be doing any of that. I literally just want this to have like a regular nail polish that's gonna last at least, you know, like 2 weeks versus like a few days. Okay, so I don't know what these are. I think this is maybe something for like if I'm doing kind of like an acrylic thing. I don't know. I'll have to ask my sister. She's more knowledgeable. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Okay, so I went ahead and plugged this in. So it has 30 seconds right here and then 60 seconds right here. My extension cord isn't long enough where I have it connected, but you can do the 30 and then it turns on, or you can do the 60. So once you do the 30, you're just gonna go put your nails down here, and then it's gonna turn off after 30 seconds. I've seen some that once you kind of move your hand, they turn off. They're like censored. So this one's nice because it's not gonna do that. So this is what it looks like. I wanted to show you guys the lights because I know earlier you guys couldn't see them, but this is how many lights it has. It does have to be connected, so it's something that's gonna be charged, and then you're gonna be able to disconnect and it's gonna work for that than having to use something that's battery operated. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and to those people that have been subscribing to my channel, thank you guys so much. I know I haven't been uploading videos, but I love uploading videos. It's just so hard sometimes to come up with ideas. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will make sure to test this out, and then maybe I can do a video in the future showing you guys how it turned out, how I did my nails. But for today, I just want to do a quick unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week.